Hey everyone! Welcome back to the place where we break down cybersecurity concepts in a way that just clicks. Today we're exploring a key concept that keeps data flowing across networks: routing. More specifically, we're comparing static routing and dynamic routing. What are they? How do they differ? And when should you use each one? Let's start with static routing. This is the simplest form of routing, like using a paper map. You manually tell a router where to send traffic for a specific destination. That route stays put unless you change it yourself. It's predictable, easy to understand, and great for small networks or stable environments where routes don't change often. Now, dynamic routing is more like using GPS with live traffic updates. Routers share information with each other using protocols like OSPF, EIGRP, or BGP. They automatically learn about new routes, detect outages, and update paths without manual input. This is perfect for large, complex, or constantly changing networks, where flexibility and speed are key. So what's the big difference? With static routing, you're in total control, but that control comes with a cost: scalability. Every new route or network change means manual work. Dynamic routing offloads that work to the routers themselves, but introduces complexity and sometimes unexpected changes. Let's talk use cases. Static routing shines in small office networks, point-to-point links, or when you need tight security with no surprises. It's also common for routing out to an ISP or in lab environments. Dynamic routing, on the other hand, powers enterprise networks, data centers, and the internet backbone, places where routes change often and uptime is critical. Configuring them is also different. For static routing, you'd manually enter commands like IP route 192.168.2.0, 255.255.255.0, 192.168.1.1. For dynamic routing, you'd enable a routing protocol and let the routers talk to each other, like using router OSPF1 and setting network areas. It's more setup up front, but less micromanagement later on. In short, static routing is all about control and simplicity, while dynamic routing is about adaptability and automation. Knowing when to use each one, and sometimes combining both, is a crucial skill for anyone managing or securing networks. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Be sure to check it out if you're ready to go deeper. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.